Happy February, everybody. Good morning. Kim here, and I want to show you a little recipe that I love to make for a particular coffee flavor. I call it the Sweetheart Latte. And basically, it is rose. I know some of you are like, no, it's actually really good. Don't overdo it, right? Less is more. So it's rose syrup. Now, this particular rose syrup I got from the Indian market. Here in Duluth, we don't have one, but when you go into the cities or when I've been abroad, I've been able to buy all these wonderful flavored syrups, very exotic and unique flavors at the Indian market. So if you got one, go visit it. Man, you're going to be so excited about all of the food that you will find there. So this is a particular rose syrup, right? And chocolate. So I keep, this is dark chocolate, by the way, and it's powder. So I keep a dark chocolate powder in my little shaker here. And vanilla. So I've got my little dropper here. And of course you have your half and half and your coffee. Now, generally I always like to warm up my half and half. So you just put whatever amount that you like in and throw it in the microwave for a few minutes, because otherwise all the cold creamer does is just make your coffee even colder. But if that's how you want your coffee, then by all means just use the straight cool. So I'll generally do like 15 seconds just to kind of get it warm enough. I take that out. What I will do is I'll start adding some of the flavorings to it. So put in a few drops of vanilla to your heart's content, right? And sprinkle that chocolate. And I also like to throw in my collagen powder. So, you know, a good, I do a 3/4. I don't do a full scoop, right? I like to conserve, right? So, yeah, so all these things are going to make for a beautiful, lustrous, warm, soothing and cooling a cup of coffee. It definitely, you know, brings about this wonderful happiness when you drink it, right? It's like getting a bouquet of flowers. Throw in that rose syrup. And I go by whim. I'm not like, you know, 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon, whatever. You'll know, right? You'll know. And at that point, then I'll just kind of take it, mix it all up, give it a good froth. And I don't know if you can see, but it's a beautiful pink color, right? And then you take your press. Right, or your coffee. Like, I'm a snob, I do presses. All right, so we are ready for this blend to begin. Boop. So a tip, and I've showed a lot of people this, don't put your coffee frother in the center, because that's when it overflows. You put it along the edge, and it won't build up so much as it would if you normally put it in the middle. So there you have it, your Sweetheart Latte. And it just makes you happy. It just makes you happy. It's so good. And like I said, the rose is just light. And the rose is already a sweetened syrup. So yeah, it makes you fall in love all over again with yourself and treating yourself to something so delicious. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this little recipe and pass it on. Peace out, my friends, and within. Bye-bye.